This is a water-powered Sash sawmill, and we're going to see how to sharpen the saw today and also set the blade. Norris has done this job before, so he's going to show us how this was done.
This one is pretty good. It's right out there to the gauge. But this is the teeth are alternate, first one way and then the other. This one is too short and it's dull, very dull. So we'll do away with that for a moment. That's quite sharp. And then you take this special gauge, hook right onto the tooth, and you bend it a little bit. Then you check it. That's not enough. So we will hook right onto it again. Now the gauge won't go by it without catching it, so the tooth is right out to the gauge where it is supposed to be. Almost. It's a little bit of trial and error. Now that's got a good catch on it. The tooth is sharp. And then we have to proceed to the next one on this side, which is up here, of course. You take your file, which looks like a flat file on this side, but you tip it over and you have two more on an angle. And it's called a can't saw file, meaning when you can't saw, file. And they work very good. And you always hold that angle, so I'll try to. And then you come up to the tooth, and you have to have a little bit of an angle. You file it and you check it. You see if you have a very good point out there to catch your finger on, because that point has to take the sawdust and put it down into the gullet of the saw to carry it out of the cut. If it doesn't carry it out, it'll jam up and your saw will go anywhere it wants to. It'll go everywhere you don't want it to. And so you have to have enough gullet to carry the sawdust out of the cut. We are all done sharpening the up and down sash saw.
It's probably going to cut better than it's cut for years.
It's going to cut just like you're slicing hot butter.
Thank you, Norris.
Okay.